YouTube session started. The live link should be coming if you click on the subscribe button. Wait a minute. People should be getting it by now. Wait a minute. Yes. Let me share this link to you people so that you can come and join live. So today we are going to look at this intraday Nifty option selling strategy with less capital. Let's do it right away. Look at this intraday Nifty option selling strategy with less. Okay, I have logged into ICICI, and before that just look at this Nifty is trading around 12,743, so almost in a way of it started with a little positive note in the morning. It was done as a gap up, but after the gap up it just gone down even below, so which means it's a sharp negative. The market is drastically going downwards. We thought of doing the trading, but market is very bad condition, so market should not go this much drastic down. Anyway, so let's look at this ICICI Direct. So what we have planned for today is we can do a trading somewhere else around Nifty call option. Let's choose that call option, Nifty, select contract, expiry day, and out of the money. So if you choose the out of the money, you have somewhere else around 13,100 for 13 rupees. So I think we will choose somewhere else around 10 rupees. So this is close to 10 rupees, 13,100. So this we can sell it. So we'll just note it down. Morning this 13,100, morning it was 19 rupees. Now it came to 13.70 rupees. So that's good. So similarly we are going to sell at the put option as well. So let us look at the put option values. So expiry date is same, and choose out of the money, and just look at the values. I think 12,400 is 20 rupees, 12,350 is 16 rupees, 12,300 is 13 rupees. This 12,300 morning it was 10 rupees 65 paise. Now it is 13.40. I think this 12,300 is okay, and 13,100 call option is okay, because both are 13 rupees. It is always best to take the equal value so that our calculation will be perfect. So again we will look at this Nifty option for today. So market is almost stabilized, I think so. Let us start our trading now. So before that, let me check if I have allocation. I'm going to allocate funds. Okay, I'm going to allocate just some 20,000. Click on submit. So 20,000 is allocated. Now go for place order, go for option plus, go for call option, Nifty, select contract, expiry date 26 November, opt out money, call option out of the money may we will choose 13,100, which is 13 rupees or 14 rupees. We can choose this. So we will choose the sell option, and we should know how much we can sell it. We don't know how much quantity we can sell it, so what we will do is we will leave this quantity as blank. The system will decide it. What is the stop loss for that 14 rupees is just double the time, 28 rupees, and we will ask the system to calculate it. So just give for 10,000. Now the system will calculate 375 quantity. So 375 quantity, stop loss is 28, and we will just refresh the price. It's 14.05, so we can put a limit of 14.05 and just click on submit it. Click on proceed. It's done. So we will have to place one more order. So we will just click on one more order, option plus. Now we have to do put option, Nifty, select contract, expiry date 26 November, opt out the money. Again we have to choose the same 12,300, put option 14.55. That's good. I will sell it. Now we know the lot size, the same lot size that we have done it previously. So if you don't know how to choose it, what we can do is give the limit price here, stop loss here as double the time of 14, just 28, and click on this calculator button. It will come and ask you whether you have to use the current limit or enter your limit according to the quantity. So just click at the enter quantity and click on 10,000. So the quantity will be automatically calculated as 375. Just refresh it, 14.70. So put the limit price 14.7 and click on submit button. Proceed. Okay, now we have to check the order book, whichever is getting executed. You see both this 14.05 executed 375 quantity, 14.7 executed 375 quantity. So both the order got executed. So now you should know what is your stop loss. So if you want to know what is your stop loss, you should try to calculate it. Use your calculator. The first selling price is 14.05 plus the second is 14.7. Adding together it is coming as 28.75. Okay, we put it as a stop loss price. If you see the stop loss price, it's here 28. So together it is coming as 28.75. So whenever you add this, the stop loss should be always less. So currently the stop loss is 28. What we will do is every 30 minutes or 1 hour we will reduce the price from 28 to 27, 26, 25, 24, like that we will keep on reducing for every 15 minutes or 25, every 15 minutes or 30 minutes or 1 hour. So how we are going to reduce it? We are going to add these values, current value 14.7 and 14.05. These together we will add it, and whatever the value comes, now if you add this 14.05 and 14.7, if you together add it, it is coming 28.75. So whatever the value that added 28.75, from that reduce 1 rupee, that will be your stop loss. So currently I reduced it to 75 paise, that is 28, that will be my stop loss. So after 1 hour if you add these value together, the value will be less than 28.75. say suppose it may be 28. If it is 28, then at the time my stop loss will be 27. So I have to reduce in both way stop loss. So this is how we are going to keep on changing the stop loss each and every time. Once we do that, for sure we will be getting the profit. Now let us look into the profit portfolio stage. We'll go to portfolio and click on options. Okay, so here if you see the total profit is coming around 191 rupees, right? So here you can see that the first 13,100 call option is open position. We sold it 14 rupees 10 paise, but currently it is trading 13.80, which means this leg is giving 112 rupees profit. The second leg put option 12,300, we sold it as an average price of 15.66, but the last trade price is 15.45, which means we are in a profit of 78.75 paise. This is the two profit, so together it is coming as 191.25 as a profit. So now you should know how much supposed to be you supposed to get the profit. We invested almost let me check how much is the investment amount that we have done it. We invested around 18,840 rupees. That is the investment, 18,840. For the 18,840, how much is the profit that you should be getting it? That you should calculate it. So let it be in 18,840. Just keep it for 2%. The 2% profit comes around 375 rupees. This is our minimum target. This target may exceed sometimes, you may get sometimes 4%, 6%, that's all. We already started a little late today. We supposed to start at 10 a.m. every day, but today we started around 11 a.m. So in option selling, you will get the profit only when the time goes on and on. If the time is very less, then your profit is less. You should be always getting your profit as and when the time goes. If your time is more, your profit is more. If your time is less, your profit is less. That is how the calculation goes on. So here you see the profit got little reduced because market is going in a opposite way. Let us check how the market is going on. Market is just going up immediately. That is why our profit is in one leg it is locked, but the other leg is giving profit. This is called a non-directional trading. Okay, now we got a profit of 641 rupees. Just now I told you the profit 2% is 376. If you get 376 rupees 2%, that's more than enough, but now you got around 641 rupees as a profit, which means you are close to 3.5%. Good. We just now started and we are getting a good profit. So as of now we are getting 3% profit. We can keep a watch on this, and meanwhile what I am going to do is I am going to calculate this LTP, last trade price, together what is the value that is coming, because each and every time we should reduce the price. Yesterday our stop loss was 28 rupees. From 28, how much you supposed to reduce? 14.45 plus 13.55. See, In the beginning, when I add these two price, it is coming 28.75. So my stop loss is 28. Now when I add, it is coming as 28. So my stop loss will be 27. So I will be reducing the stop loss. I will go to order book. It's an option plus intraday. So this is a stop loss 28, which I will reduce to 27. Modify. From 28 modify to 27 and click on this. I will change to modify now. Proceed, and there is one more order. This modify, change to 27. Each and every time try to click on the calculator so that this limit price also will get changed automatically, and click on modify. Okay, good. Now we have modified this 27. Let us look at the profit now. It's almost same, 678 only. So now we have changed our price, stop loss price from 28 to 27 within a span of 15 minutes. Maybe we can do this every 15 minutes or every 30 minutes. Whenever the last trade price, this value is going down, then we will be changing it accordingly. Our profit also got a little bit reduced. Let's see how the market is going here. Market is okay, 12,760. It's okay. As of now, our profit is 603. So in a span of some 30 minutes, we got 3% profit. I hope that's a good start, because we don't know whether market is going down or up. So we will be doing a non-directional trading. Option selling is called non-directional trading, which means in sometimes market is going up, in sometimes market is going down. Either way you will be getting profit, you will not be getting affected. So now the strategy is how much you are safe. You should know how much you are safe. If you want to know how much you are safe, these are the two values that you are safe, which means currently market is trading around 12,764. If the market goes up till 13,100, still you are safe. If the market goes down from 12,760 till 12,300, you are safe. These are the two safest points. In case if market is going drastically below 12,300 or above 13,100, then that is a place where you will be getting loss. It's better to square it off immediately at the time. Okay, now our profit got increased 772, but if you see in overall, our put option sell is giving profit. Put option sell is giving profit means market is going in a positive way after we put the order, and our call option sell is giving loss, which means it's not okay. But when we check together, we are getting profit. So this strategy is very good on Friday, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. I don't want to execute this strategy on expiry day or on Thursday. Why? Because on Thursday there is a lots and lot of risk. For doing the trading on Thursday, you should be calculate the previous 4 days history. To do the trading on Thursday, you should check how the market has performed for the past 4 days. Based on that, you have to decide on Thursday how the market will be performing. If the market has very good positive trend on all the 4 days, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all the 4 days it performed positively, means people who are all bought the call option has to square it off on Thursday. So while squaring it off, they may try to do square it off maybe around 2 o'clock or 2:30. At the time, market may crash heavily. That is why on Thursday trading is very difficult. Most of the people are getting loss on expiry day because you don't know when the market suddenly goes up or suddenly goes down. You can see very big candles on those days. So people who are all beginners, please avoid trading on Thursday. For people who are all good in analyzing the market, they can do the trading on Thursday. And of course, if your strategy and analysis is very good, you can easily make money. But if your analysis is wrong, your entire capital may go for a toss on expiry day. So expiry day is not good for beginners but for expert peoples. Okay, now you see our profit got reduced from 700 to 400, but in both leg we are getting profit. Call option selling also we are getting profit around 150. In put option selling also we are getting profit 266. What does it mean if both leg is giving profit? Sometimes one leg is giving profit, another leg is giving loss, but this time both leg is giving profit. What does it means? Which means the market did not move either positive side or negative side. It is staying in the same place where we bought. That is the meaning of it. So anyway, we are in the selling side, so we don't need to worry about it. What we need to worry is nothing but every time we have to check this last trade price. Our profit got little even reduced, and this put option selling is minus 52, whereas call option selling is giving 310. So now let us together calculate this. 13 plus 15, 28, but it is increased now. It's supposed to be less than 28, but it got increased 28. So let us wait for some more time. Let's keep a watch on this candles, how the candles are going. Now 12,747, time is 11:40. Let us check our positions. Okay, we got around 547 rupees profit. Seems to be a good. Now if you add together 13.30 and 15, it's coming 28.30. okay, 28.30, but our stop loss is 27, so 1 rupee 30 paise less. So far so good. So people should understand why I am keeping this stop loss as 28. In case if market goes up in one way, in one option you will be getting profit, in another option you will be getting loss. So either way you should not be getting loss together. Our motto is either get profit or come out with zero loss. So that is our motto. Our total profit comes around 491 rupees. Our maximum profit was around 700 initially, but now profit got reduced and slowly it is increasing. This is the main concept that we are going to do. Every time we are going to check this last trade price. What is the last trade price here? Here it is 13.85, here it is 14.80. Just add these two values in a calculator and reduce 1 rupees and just go to the order book and reduce your stop loss. This is what you are going to do. Whether you do it every 15 minutes or every 1 hour, that's up to you. But you have to reduce the stop loss every now and then. So for this you don't need to do much analysis, and most of the times this strategy works on all day except Thursday. Either we can initially start the strategy, or if you are okay with the profit of 450, you can square it off. After squaring it off, again you want to initiate, again you can initiate with the same call option, put option, or you can choose a different strike also. Currently we have taken 13,100, this is 12,300, so you can take different strikes, but most of the times it's better to take it around 10 rupees. Why I am taking 10 rupees is the stretch is very lengthy. From 12,300, this 13,100 means almost 800 point stretch is there. So market has to be so much volatile, 800 points here and there, that too on Friday. It is very rare condition. If you check the past 1 year history, intraday movement 800 points. If you check, maximum you will get some 2 days or 5 days, that will be the intraday movements of 800 points. We are not worried about gap up movements, because after gap up we are going to start only around 10 a.m. So from 10 a.m. to around 2:30 we will close it. So from 10 a.m. to 2:30, if the market moved in one way of 400 or 500 points, that is where our risk is there. So you have to check it in the past days, how much amount, how much point it moved in intraday after 10 a.m. to 2:30 a.m. Most of the times it will not move much. In that case you are safe. If the market moves beyond 400 or 500 points in one way, then you will be under risk. So at the time you have to square it off and come out. Currently our profit is 566 rupees. Okay, I'm still waiting when I will get this 700 which I saw initial. In option selling, the only way that we have to do is wait, sit, relax, have a coffee and enjoy. because as and when the time goes, your profit increases. Let's check the Nifty. See, Nifty is also not moving anywhere else. 12,750. Now the time is 11:45. It is okay. Oh, sudden crash. But it's not a very big crash, but sudden crash. So now if you refresh it over here, you will see a huge jump. See, 697. Because of the sudden crash, the profit got increased. People who are all wanted to square up the position, you can square it up. See, in a matter of 697, immediately it came to 566. But we are getting profit in both sides. In call option selling, in put option selling, in both, like, we are getting profit. So we have to watch, and of course we should not forget every time the LTP 13.55 plus 14.80. Let me add it. 13.55 plus 14.80. Together it is coming still 28.35. I have put my stop loss as 27, so it is okay. From this price, 1 rupee 35 paise, it got, my stop loss is less, so for sure I will not be in loss even if the market moves in one side. Whenever this comes below 28, say suppose if it is coming 27.5 after adding these 2 LTP, then at the time I will be changing the stop loss. Okay, let us keep a watch how the Nifty is performing. Now the time is 11:52. Market is trading around 12,753. Seems like market is trading in a channel. The problem is, if market is trading in a channel, we don't know when it will break out. While doing breakout, it will break just like this, very big candles. If it break out such kind of big candles, then our profit may get affected. 12,750. Let us go and check what is our profit. It was 416 sometimes back. Now our profit is 641, and our both leg is giving profit. Whenever your both leg is giving profit, which means you are safe, the market is playing in the middle level only. After you initiate the sell order, the market did not move rapidly, either in the positive way or either in the negative way. When it moves rapidly, either in the positive way or in the negative way, then your one leg will be giving loss and another leg will be giving profit, and together it will be in profit. Now it is the time to calculate the LTP. Adding LTP together, how much? Earlier it was 28.35. now let us check one more time. 13.45 plus 14.6, together it is coming 28. We put the stop loss as 27. Okay, let us reduce it for another 50 paise, because long time it is in the same place, 27. So let us reduce it another 50 paise in the order book. At least we should do something. From 27 we will reduce to 26.5. okay. So this limit price will automatically change from 39 to something 38. So modify it now. And this also you can modify it. Just click on this, it will change. Okay, both got changed to 26.5. Now our profit is 603. Okay, so far so good. Market is trading around 12,760. It is not moving anywhere else much. So far so good. Okay, finally we beat our first target 700. Now it's become 866. We invested around 20,000 to be precise. Our investment was somewhere else around 19,000 or 18,860 or something. So for that we are getting around the profit around 866. And initially itself I told you our target for per day is only 2%, not more than that. Yeah, of course we can get to more than profit. There is a lot of proofs videos that I already showed you for 4% profit in intraday, 6% profit in intraday. This percentage varies from day to day. Like if you trade it on Friday, your percentage will vary. If you trade it on Monday, the percentage will be different. So as and when the days goes on, your profit percentage will differ. The reason for the percentage differ is nothing but if you trade it on Friday, the expiry for that Nifty is 26 November, which means you have another 4 days to get expired. So the profit percentage will be less. But if you do the trading on Monday, your profit will be little bit increase. Reason is your expiry day is coming in another 3 days. While I am talking, the market is going one way positive. I don't know what is going to happen to our strategy. See, market moved from 12,750 to 780, so almost 30 points it's moved here and there. So we should know, if market is moving 30 points in one way, what will be your profit or loss. So your one leg is giving profit of 1241, where the other leg is giving a profit loss of 375, but together it is giving a profit of 866. So I hope now people understand, even if the market moving in one way of just 30 points from 12750 to 12780, it's 30 points. If it moving 30 points in one way also, you are safe, your profit is safe. That is what you should understand by looking at the example. Your one leg is giving loss, but matching to that the other leg is giving profit, so together your profit is not getting affected. It is still same 885 rupees. Okay, so one lesson is, even if the market is moving 30 points, you are still safe. Let us see if market is giving any more surprises beyond this point, so that a live demo can be shown to you people. If market is giving a surprise upside or a surprise downside, it may be giving profit or loss, that we can check it lively in the account. As I told you, market is going in the channel way. Whenever there is a channel, if it is going to break out, the breakout strategy will be little heavy. That is what I told you. See, exactly. Yes, you can see it also. Okay, now time is 12 o'clock. You see, this is the wedge formation. From the wedge formation, it just did a breakout. So during the breakout, market jumped around 30 points. That is where we see the huge variation in the profit and loss. Let us look at this position as of now. Our first leg is giving 400 negative and another leg is giving 1300 positive, together 885. Let me check it now. 885. From 885, 922 is the profit. Okay. People who are all watching, please tell me what is your target percentage, how much you want. So we invested around 19,000 and if I put around 6%, yeah, 6% is 1,140. We did not reach even that. Yeah, around 5% we are getting a profit. Okay, if you want to know how to square off, just directly go to order book, or you can go to open position, whichever is the easy way. Go to open position and go to option plus. In open position, this option plus, where you will see intraday. Here you can see your trigger price is 26.5. so here you have square off at market, square off at market. These are the two links that you have to click. In case if you don't want to do it one by one, just click square off all position at market. At one stretch, both option will be squared off. So just one click, everything will be squared off. 866, and our margin, our initial margin is somewhere else around 19,000. As and when we reduce the trigger price, that is a stop loss price, this margin also will get reduced, which means the remaining margin will be there for you to trade something else. This put option leg was giving somewhere else around 1,200 as a profit, which reduced to 960, whereas this call option is giving a loss around minus 400, which got reduced to minus 93. But not to worry about it, together adding it is giving 866. This profit is consistency. Still we did not square it off because time is still 12 o'clock. The market did not move rapidly upside or downside. As long as the market is moving in the side way, we are safe. So we don't want to square it off because our trigger price is also safe for us. We kept a nice trigger price, so that also will give a safety for us most of the times. Market is 12,777. So market did not move rapidly here and there. It is just doing a time pass, and that's what we want because we are option sellers. We want market to do time pass and our profit will keep on increasing. If market is not doing time pass, rapidly moving upside downside, then also we will be getting profit, like moving 30 points here and there or moving 50 points here and there. We are absolutely not bothered about this because we are trading on Friday. On Friday we will be in a very safe place. We are almost safe place of 800 point stretch from here and there. So for sure you will be getting profit only, you will not be getting loss. Okay, suddenly this got increased 1166 and this is giving minus 300 and together it is coming same 866. See, you have to check one thing. This is put option sell, that is giving profit. This is call option sell, that is giving loss. This profit and loss is keep on increasing and decreasing, but the together overall profit is steadily increasing. This is what you should understand. Market 12,785. Almost we started around 11 a.m. Now it is 12 a.m. In 1 hour, how much is the profit that we are getting? 978. Yeah, good profit. Now the time is 12:14. Market is moving a little positive. 12,791. Let us check. So 12,791. Our overall profit is 978. Let me refresh it. Okay, from 978 it got increased to 1053. That is overall profit, but if you see in the one leg, this leg is giving profit and this leg is giving loss because market is moving in one way, but our overall profit is just keep on increasing, and our aim is to increase our profit for the investment of around 19,000. Now if you check the profit around 6%, it is coming around 1,140. So we are close to 6% profit as of now. The profit fluctuates between 940 and 1,000 rupees. Market spot price 12,790 and our current market price CMP is this much. I think we forgot to reduce this trigger price, so let us add these two values 11.77 and 15.55. add these two values and -1, that will be our trigger price. 11.65 plus 15.35 is equal to 27 minus 1, 26. So 26 supposed to be our trigger price, but it is 26.5. So let us change it. You can change it from here itself. 26. This limit price will change it from 38.5 to 38. So I will reduce this. Okay, order reduced 26. Okay, good. Check the profit in portfolio. Our total profit is 1,166. Just now we reached a 6% profit. We started somewhere else around 11 AM. Now it is 12:18. Almost 1 hour 15 minutes. In 1 hour 15 minutes, we are getting a profit of 6%. 6% in a day is pretty decent profit. I think we are happy to square it off at these positions. Market 12,777. Okay. market 12778, profit is 1053 rupees. Once we get a decent profit or around 230, we will just click on one button, square off all position at market, then we are safe. Then we will be reaping the benefit for this today. Why we should to square off all position at market at one stage is nothing but by the time you click square off at market this, and by the time you click the square off at market another order, there may be a variation. Just to avoid that variation, we are doing square off all position at marketplace. When we refresh this button, we can check our spot price over here, 12778. So we can clearly see that the market did not move anywhere else. And each and every time it's better to check the current market price, add these together current market price. From that addition, 1 rupee should be less as a trigger price over here. $12.7 plus 14.2, 26.9 minus 1, 25.9. It should be 25.9. It is 26. So what I will do is I will reduce to 25.5. Okay, our profit is 1053 rupees. Time is 12:22. Market is trading around 12770. Time 12:25. Market is still same, 12,774. Let's check it in the open position. Our profit is also almost same, 1035 rupees is the profit. From 1000 rupees it got reduced to 997, but now both leg is giving positive. Now the time is 12:27. Market is giving a support at this level, it seems. See, this level it's giving a good support. Maybe this is the breakout level, it may happen. So morning from this level it got crashed. Yes, this one support, after this it got broke and again touched as a resistance, then resistance. Now this is the third resistance. After that the breakout happened. It's a false breakout and again it is coming to the bottom. So now it is trading at the resistance level. So either it can break out the resistance level, or just before false breakout is also possible, but we have to wait and watch. Anyway, we are not worried about anything because we are safe in option selling. Our profit is 960 as of now. close to 1016 rupees we are getting profit till now, almost 1 hour 30 minutes over. Wow, a very big candle. 12,793. Wow, 12,797. Is it a false breakout or very good breakout? Of course, if we are doing option buying, we cannot take this. It's all happening within a fraction of a second. But in option selling, we are not worried. Before profit is 1128. Now if I check the profit, it's 885. It got reduced, but not worry. One leg is giving profit, another leg is giving negative, so profit got reduced and increased a little bit. It's okay. Again it came back to 1016 rupees. When the market goes up suddenly or goes down suddenly, the reflection of the option price may take 1 or 2 minutes. Due to that, when we are refreshing from the profit of 1000 rupees, it reduced to 880, then 900. But when the market settles and if it is in a stable way, then the profit will be in a stable way. So when the market is stabilized to a place, then at the time, if you do square of all position at market, whatever the profit that you see, the same profit you will get it. But whenever the market goes up high or goes down high, then you will not be getting the profit whatever is shown in the place, because the price of the option will be changing. Hi Prajwal, good question that you are asking. Why I have selected these two strikes? Reason is, morning when I selected these two strikes, it is close to 10 rupees or 15 rupees. You know that I always trade between 10 and 15 rupees. That is why morning I put a sell order for just 375 quantity with the price of 15.66. that is the put option, and this is call option, that also with the same quantity almost the same price. Okay, I always wanted to take the same price. This is also 15.66 means this also should be 15 point something like that, but anyway, just 1 rupee less, it's okay. So this is 15.66, this is 14.10, so almost same price. That is why I have chosen, especially today is Friday, so we can take 10 rupees to 15 rupees. So Friday is safe to take 10 rupees to 15 rupees. So I just select the premium. I don't mind what is the strike price that I take. I always select the premium. My premium should be 10 to 15 rupees, which I should sell it. That is what my concern is. This strike price is not at all matter to me. Only this premium average price that matters to me. I hope now you got clear why did I choose these two strikes. Just let me know if you are clear about this. Rachel, I thought you are doing this strategy every day. This is the one strategy which is giving very good profit for you at all the time. Actually, I started this by 11 a.m. itself. But anyway, you joined a little late, but you already watched this video, which is just a 15 minutes video. The same video I'm just doing it live, so that if anybody is willing to ask any questions, they can ask the questions and I can answer lively, because everybody will be giving a strategy but nobody is willing to test the same strategy via live. So I want to make the people very clear that this strategy is very good and it's safe to play. That is why I just doing the live. So yeah, you can parallelly do the trading with the same strategy. See, market is crashing heavily. I already told you it's going to be a false breakout. The same thing is happening. It's a false breakout for sure. So market is crashing heavily from 12,796, almost from 12,800 to 760. 40 points is reducing, but we are not at all worried about 40 points reduce. So let us check what is our profit over here. It's still the same. Say market is 12,762, spot price 12,762, and our profit is 1,185. So even if the market goes 40 points up, initially we have checked it from here to here, it moved a 40 points up. At the time also we never get loss. Now the same thing is happening, 40 points down. At this time also we are not getting loss, we are safe. And our investment is also, as of now our investment is only 17,000. Morning we started around 19,000. As and when we reduce the trigger price, our investment also will come down. So for the investment of around 17,000, 6% profit is good. So we are almost getting 6%, and most of the time I advise minimum is 2%. After that whatever you get, it's okay. And we may have some breakouts or big movements, like 40 points is a small movements, but there may be a chance you may get big movements like 100 points or 150 points. Those things will happen generally on Wednesday. So at that time we should be squaring it off before 2 p.m. Okay, after a heavy crash, I think market is looking back. 12,756. Let us check what is our profit. Okay, 960. Yeah, profit is fluctuating between 1000 rupees and 960 rupees, because market crashed heavily. Our profit also reduced a little bit, but it will increase. Ritual, did you start using this strategy today? I'm planning to start a live session every day except Thursday, as we don't trade on Thursday because it's not good for beginners. Friday is very safe to test this strategy. Monday is also very safe to test this strategy. Thursday is very difficult to follow this because we don't get price of 10. Wednesday we have to be little careful. Tuesday we should be knowing why we are getting loss. Why? Because once we initiate the trade, today I started around 11 a.m. From 11 a.m. to 12 a.m. is the crucial period or critical period. Within that 1 hour, the market should not move big up or big down. What does it mean by big up or big down? Means 100 points up or 100 points down. That too after you initiate the trade. If it is moving rapidly, then there may be a problem comes for you. Your stop loss may get triggered immediately. At the time you may get loss, otherwise you may not get loss. May I know when did you start the trade and at what time you got loss? Friday is a very good day for getting profit, because if you see my options, 12,300 and 13,100, a spread of 800 points I am getting. That too for the price of 15 rupees, 14 rupees. So Friday is very good day for, you will get a very good stitch. Now on Friday you are getting a stitch of 800. The same thing if you take it on Monday, you will be getting a stitch of only 700 points, and Tuesday you will be getting a stitch of only 600 points. So like that the stitch is keep on reducing as and when it get close to Thursday. Okay, right all. Tuesday you took the entry at 10 a.m. Yeah, that is very good. And when is your exit on Tuesday? Time is 12:47. What happened to the market? Market is giving ups and downs. Anybody who is playing in the option buying, that two option buying with the stop loss, they are gone case. Stop loss will get hit easily, but we are doing option selling and we are safe. As of now the profit is just 1128. Yeah, almost a 6% profit we got it. So I forgot to check one thing, the current market price. The current market price, what we should do is we should check it each and every time and reduce it. 13.3 plus 13.45, 26.75 minus 1, 25.75 should be there. Okay, we are already 25.50, so it's okay, we are in a safe position only. After some time we will close it. We will check it why Tuesday, last Tuesday, I think. Let me check what is happened on last Tuesday. Last Tuesday, I think 10th November. So this is what 10th November. Morning around 10 o'clock, the price is 12,532, and after that immediately there was a hump to 538, 536, 583. Okay, a 50 points move happened after you might have taken the trade, and after that it is good till 1:30. It is good only. Around 2 o'clock there was a heavy crash. Maybe you would have got by this 2 o'clock crash. So till 1:30 you should be in a profit, and after 2 o'clock you may be getting the loss, right? Rajwal, at what time you got loss, and what time your position got squared off automatically? You told your entry time is 10 o'clock, but what is your exit time? Meanwhile, let us check the live update. Just 1128 is the profit. Let's refresh it. 1200. Market is 12767. Time is 12:51. Yeah, even 1 o'clock, 1:30 and all, we are getting a good profit of 6%, so it is safe only. Okay, Bridgewater, I was 30 to 45 minutes later, sir. I got lost. Okay, so once you dip around 10:30, you deployed, and after 30 minutes. So I think that is the place, 10th November. Okay, here is the place around 10:30 and between 11 o'clock. This is a movement of just 50 points. With the 50 points, I don't think the stop loss is possible. I thought that stop loss would have hit around only at 2 o'clock. If you would have taken the entry at 10 o'clock, for sure the stop loss may not get hit at this 10:30. If you are in front of the system, can you get exact time entry so that I will check this in 1 minute chart and then I will let you know. Seventeenth November. Okay, this is 19th November, 18th November. This is 17th November. This is 17th November and the time that you enter is around 10:30. So this is the time of 10:30, 17th November 10:30. The market is around 12,836. After you enter 10:36, market had a crash from 836 to 800. It's just 36 points. For sure, in this 36 points you will not get loss, and after that it is a upside and downside. It is safe only. No, this is safe only. This is 30 points is for sure it is safe only. Oh, you ended at around 10 o'clock. Okay, 10 o'clock. Okay, this is the place where 10 o'clock market is 12,860, 12,862. From 12,862 market crashed 12,800. Okay, this is what I was telling. Once you enter from that, the first 1 hour is you have to be careful, and exactly on Tuesday the first 1 hour market moved in a single direction of negative. That is why you got loss. Okay, so this first 1 hour we have to be careful enough. Once you enter from the time of, you can enter at any time, either 10 o'clock or 9:30 or 9:15, any time you can enter. What we say is from 9:50 to 10 market may settle. That is what we see. For example, here if you see it on 9:17, see there was a huge gap down opening. After that, from 9:16 to 10:15 market is sideways. So in this case, even if you enter at the around 9:20, the market did not move anywhere else. So till first 1 hour you have to be careful. Anyway, this first 1 hour you are safe. After that, even if it is crash, it's okay, you will be no loss, no profit. But you entered only at 10 o'clock, but after the entry time of 10 o'clock market was sideways only till 20 minutes. After 20 minutes it just came down around 10:45. So that's the problem. That's where you got loss at the time, I believe. So ensure that your stop losses are very tight. What I mean by stop loss is very tight is, I used to tell you, you just add these two price and just minus 1 rupee. So instead of minus 1 rupee, you can have minus 2 rupees. So this is the safe point that we decide. So why we should reduce 1 point or 2 point is based on the strategy. So for you, when you come to trade on different days, like for Friday, safe point 1 rupee is fine, but for Tuesday hereafter you keep the safe point as 2 rupees, so that you will not get loss. Even if market goes one way side after you put the order, at least you will be in no loss position. Our main aim is to safeguard our capital, not to lose the money. Once you lose the money, you will not be able to play it again. So either it should grow or it should be in the same place. What is happening? Market is going a sudden up from 12,763 to 12,800. So another 40 points is a sudden up today. Okay, 40 points sudden up. And what is our profit? Our profit is still same, because on Friday, the sudden movement of 40 points, 50 points will not impact me, but the same sudden 50 points, 40 points movements on Thursday or on Wednesday, even for our friend Prajwal, it happened even on Tuesday. That sudden movement will hit hugely, but on Friday, for sure, any such sudden movement will not hit me. That's for sure. See the current market price 11 and 15, and to hit my stop loss, this 11 rupees should go to 25, then only my stop loss will get hit, and this 15 rupees should go to 25 rupees, then only it will hit my stop loss, and for sure that is not going to happen. People who are all very new, better trade only on Friday and Monday. For sure Friday you will get 6%, because already I got 6% over here, and Monday also you will get for sure another 6%. That itself more than enough. 6%. So for the investment around 19,000 or 20,000, you are getting 1,200 on Friday and another 1,200 on Monday. That's more than enough. But if you are okay to trade on Tuesday and Wednesday, yes, for Tuesday you can have the safe point as 2 rupees, and Wednesday again you have to check it, maybe 3 points you can keep it, but you have to check it. You have to do the trial and error. Maybe you have to do the paper trade and decide what's supposed to be your safe point. I don't know, somebody is playing heavily in the market. I can see all big candles. For sure today if somebody is playing in option buying, I think they will be in a heavy profit or heavy loss, because from here market is gone down and just did a breakout, and it is going up and up just heavily like anything. Whoever plays heavily, it's okay for me. My profit is still safe, 822. So when market is going heavily more than, say from here it's around 760, from 760 to 820. So around almost 60 points it's moved up. Because of the 60 points moved up in one direction, my profit got reduced from 1,200 to 800. My profit got reduced, but I never get into loss. Why? Because I initiated the trade around 11 o'clock. Now the time is 1 o'clock. 2 hours is over. So after 2 hours, my profit is for sure it is safe. Maybe my profit got reduced here and there, that is okay, but I will never get into loss at any cost. Prajwal, the system will automatically remove all the messages if you do like emotions. At the end you are keeping some smiley space or some emotions, so remove the emotions, otherwise the system will remove the comment automatically. Sir, also live trade bank nifty intraday strategy which you have posted, it will help us a lot. Okay, you want to do a live strategy on bank nifty. Okay, I will do the live on bank nifty. I will decide, maybe today is Friday, so maybe let us check it on Monday. If Monday is good, then we can do the same thing on they are also same strategy only, we are not going to do anything different, but for sure I will do the live demo for bank nifty. See, market is coming down from 820 is the max, then now it's 809, 8010. Again it is moving up. For sure somebody is playing heavily. Okay, we are on safe side. It's okay, you don't need to be sorry for emotions. I mean, system will automatically remove the emotions if you keep the emotions. That's all. Your message will be deleted. That's all. Nothing will happen to you. Before I read, if it gets deleted, it is not good. But after I am reading the message, if it is deleting, it's okay. One more person is asking, how much brokerage charge for one short strangle? I think I already told you how to do this charging and strangle and everything. See, I hope you are also asking about SpaceX. I think you are also asking about ICICI only. See, for this ICICI, I have taken just 375 quantity. So 375 divided by 75, which means I have taken 5 lots. So 5 lots, each lot will cost me 5 rupees. 5 lot will cost me 25 rupees plus 20 rupees per execution, which means 45 rupees per execution. So for this sell order, my total brokerage is 45 rupees, and there is another sell order for this, another brokerage is 45 rupees. So together I have spent 90 rupees for the morning selling orders, and evening for sure I am going to square it off this position. At the time again I will be spending another 90 rupees. So together I will be spending around 180 rupees plus some service tax, STT, all those things will be there, that is going to government. So 90 plus 90, 180, and 20 rupees you can keep it for the government. So around 200 I will be spending for that. Market is going 12,816. SpaceX, I hope now you got how much is the brokerage for ICICI. Tell me if you understand it. For brokerage, what you should do is, you should go to, in ICICI, go to choose brokerage plan, go to equity or something. Here a choose brokerage plan will be there. From here just click here, and after that it's better you can choose a prime plan of anything. I already given a demo of prime plan, what is the benefit of 299 and all those things. There is one more video live stream that I have done it yesterday. There you can see it. But there is one more add-on plan is there. See here, mapped to option 20. Ensure that if you are in doing ICICI trading, mapped to option 20 should be there. If it is not mapped to option 20, select this middle button mapped to option 20 and click on submit. So mapped to option 20 is nothing but 20 rupees per order and 5 rupees per lot. Say suppose if you are trading 100 lots, 20 rupees per order, and for the all 100 lots, 100 into 5 rupees. So 100 lots means you will be trading in a quantity of 7,500, which means you are trading in a very big capital. Okay, so ensure that you are mapped to option 20 is there. This is the way in ICICI you can reduce the brokerage in option. Okay, I hope you got it now. SpaceX. Rachel sir, what is the margin required for 1000 rupees daily strategy which you have uploaded, sir? Will it work in these types of volatile condition? Daily 1000 rupees for that the capital, because that daily 1000 rupees that I told you as a delivery type. So if you want to do is a delivery time around 3 o'clock you will be doing it. So for that you will be needing a capital of around 2 lakhs or something. Market is going in a one-way direction, so I think it's better to square it off or something. I should check it. What is the in F1O open position option plus. Okay, still I am safe. 900 points profit, 903 rupees profit. Ritual for doing a intraday, the margin is less, whereas if you want to do the delivery, if you have a capital of 2 lakhs, yes, for sure you can take 1000 rupees, and even whatever may be the volatile condition, as you are doing delivery, you will be much safer. SpaceX, yes sir, I understood properly about brokerage plan. Actually I am using angel brokeraging. They charge around 20 rupees for each order execution. Okay, they are charging 20 rupees each order. Are they doing any 20 rupees plus per lot 5 rupees or something, or it's just flat 20 rupees irrespective of the number of lots? What is happening to our market? I don't understand. Market is going sudden up and sudden crash. Let me check out my profit. My profit is 1100 rupees, and to hit the stop loss, this 16 is very close to 25. So almost another 10 rupees is there for me to hit the stop loss, which will never happen for sure. Prajwal is asking question, do you trade on stock options? There is one more person also asked the same question, do you trade in stock options? Yes, of course we can trade, but the problem is liquidity. The liquidity is not there means for sure you will be getting to trap. I have uploaded a video, bulk deals just dial. It's a 20-minute video. Just go and watch that bulk deals just dial. and then you will come to know how much risky if you trade in the just dial script. So daily one person is doing this just dial, only one company from America. So they are playing with the just dial and every time they are getting profit. So if you play in just dial, for sure you will be getting loss. But like Reliance or a very very big script with a high liquidity script, yeah, you can play. Why we are always choosing Nifty is it's much safe for us. Liquidity will be always high. No person can easily catch hold of it. If you go to this just dial bulk deals, you will come to know how only one company is taking care of the entire just dial script price. That one company is deciding the just dial price on those intraday. So if you play on the stock option, for sure you will be getting loss. Especially if you play in just dial, for sure you will be getting loss. Just go and watch the video, I clearly explained it. So stock option is not so safe. Still, if you want to play in stock options, go for much higher liquidity like Reliance or some other very good stocks, not at the low level stocks. SpaceX notes are only 20 rupees irrespective of number of lots. For a short strangle, margin required is around 13,000 rupees. Okay SpaceX, thank you. So 20 rupees irrespective of number of lot is a very good. So if you are able to do this similar kind of trading, that is good. Like morning I put a selling around 15 rupees, and for that the trigger price I put it as 28 rupees. The stop loss is just double the price of the price that I sold, and after that I just keep on reducing it. I'm planning to shift to ICICI for option selling, but the stop loss limit order is compulsory for strangle and strangle. Yes, when you are doing intraday, especially this is called option plus. When it's called option plus, for sure you have to put the stop loss. That is where we are coming to a picture how the stop loss manage, how to do the stop loss management. That is what we are teaching. Mainly this is stop loss management. Without stop loss management, we will not be getting profit. If you are shifting to ICICI, it's good. Do you want me to refer me? If I refer, I will be getting 500 rupees. That is what they send a message to me. Please refer any of your friends so that you will be getting 500 rupees. If you really want to refer, want me to refer, yes, I can send the referral link to you. What happened to this your what is the other brokerage company that you told, SpaceX? Angel Broking, right? Yes, Prajwal, in ITC if you do this you can get profit for sure. This Nifty I have tested so many days. After that only I just put it into live and then doing it. So if you want to do it in ITC, yeah, I will say okay, but try to do the real trading in Nifty for 1 month and do the paper trading in ITC for 1 month. So for sure you will be getting profit in Nifty for the next 1 month, and do the paper trading in ITC for 1 month. At least if you do the paper trading, you will come to know what is happening, whether you will be able to make profit or you will be getting any problem or not. And still if you are not clear, just go to this nse.com. There we will be seeing the bulk deals. in the bulk deals you should be checking whether your ITC is there or not. That is the main thing. I myself forgot where did I get these bulk deals. Really don't know where is the bulk deals. So go and check the bulk deals. In the bulk deals, if your ITC is not there at least for the past 1 month, then you are safe to trade. If it is there, then it is not safe to trade. That is what I just wanted to show you, but I'm unable to locate this bulk deals. Okay, bulk deals for past will take 1 month, and symbol is at ITC. I think get data. I think ITC is what is the full ITC only the symbol. So let me check ITC. Get data, no records. So for past 1 month there is no records. Let me check for past 3 months. Past 3 months also there is no record. Past 365 days, that is 12 months, no record. Past 24 months, no record. Yeah, there is no bulk deal happened for the past 2 years for ITC, so ITC is safe. Okay, market again crashing 12,800, and we are safe till 12,300. Our profit increased to 1,300. It's okay, good, we are safe. Yeah, Prachwal. So ITC is safe as per the past 2 years. Nobody traded on bulk deals, so for sure you can do a paper trade at least for 1 week. Then you can decide how to do it. ₹10, 25, 15 and 25. So to trigger my stop loss, it should come another ₹10. So for sure that will not happen, that too on Friday. So let it run for some time. I will take a silent break for 10 minutes for my lunch, but the system will keep on running it, the live will keep on running it. People can ask questions and I will come back after 10 minutes and then answer your questions. Yeah, whatever we earn, it's just for eating food. So we should avoid our lunch time. Okay, just be patient, I will come back after my lunch. You can type your questions and then I will be coming back shortly. Meanwhile, I will keep this page so that you will come to know what is the current market rate. Before I finish my lunch, market is crashing and moving very big place. Okay, I'm not worried about big players. I'm worried about my profit. My profit is good, 1400, and my stop loss 25, 25, 10 rupees, 15 rupees. It is not getting hit, so I am safe. Whatever the big movements, it will affect only option buyers, not the option sellers. Around 138, market is 12800, and our profit is 1278. This is in loss minus 600, which is very close to our trigger price, but till 10 rupees is there, it's very difficult to reach this 10 rupees. So for sure stop loss will not get hit easily. Time 1:40. Market is 12,805 and my profit 1,500. Very good. After there is a very big movement of upside downside, market started the upward movements around 1, but for sure the same upward movement happened on Wednesday. The stop loss would have been hit. Since it's happening on Friday, there is no problem for us. Wait, I'm setting it. Okay. இப்பதான் உங்களுக்கு அனுப்பிச்சிருக்கேன். சாரி அனுப்ப மறந்துட்டேன். நீங்கள் லைவாக ஜாயின் பண்ணி என்னோட டேப் பண்ணலாம். நான் என்னோட வாய்ஸ் கேட்கும், பட் நீங்கள் டேப் பண்ணலாம். சரி, சும்மா ஜாயின் பண்ணிட்டு பண்ணி ஜாயின் பண்ணி பாருங்க. Wow, market is going zoop 12,833. Okay, my profit got reduced from 1400 to 716. It's very bad situation, and it is very close to my stop loss also. It may hit at any time. Okay, we have to be careful enough. If you add this CMP 19.05 plus 8.8, it's 27. See, got increased. My trigger price is 25.5, but it got increased to 27. That is the problem. This is why our profit also got reduced. It is reducing further. 500. My profit got reduced from 1400 to 500. Oh my god, it's further reducing to 200. It may hit at any time 20 rupees and 25 rupees. Because market is moving zoop zoop zoop, one side upside. Oh my god, my profit is reducing to 191 rupees, 172 rupees. Okay. This much variation in the profit from 1400 to 172. Nice lesson. Okay, it is very close. It is going to hit my stop loss 22 rupees, and this is 25 rupees, and I am in a loss of 400. From profit I got reduced to loss. This 8 rupees is not at all going down. but this 22 rupees is keep on increasing. Okay, it is very close to hitting my stop loss 23.20 and 25. This price is keep on increasing, but this 8 rupees is not reducing. We are at little risky status because market is moving upward. For sure we are at great risk. We should have taken the profit when we are at 1400, because after 130, I think, yeah, after 130 the market moved in single direction. That is why we got that much loss. So even on Friday after 130, magic moments are happening. When there is a magic moment, nobody can save you. From the morning we were in profit, but now we were into loss, almost 990 rupees, so 1000 rupees loss. Oh, 1300 loss keeps going. 24.45 and I am close to 25. For sure this it will get hit in some time, because market is moving upward. My stop loss will get hit at any point of time. Yeah, it's very close. 25.20, 25.50. It will hit at any time. Yeah, it got hit. My stop loss got triggered. So now my only thing is this is the one. And this 8.85, if it is getting reduced, yes, we can square it off. Otherwise we can square it off even now also. There is no need to keep till 3 o'clock. The price is getting down. Yes, we can see is last trade price and best bid offer 8.85, 8.90. okay, because we sold it, now we have to buy it. When we buy it, we have to check how much is the seller is willing to give. The seller did not reduce the price over here. The seller is reducing the price, will be in little profit, else will not be in profit. I think after hitting the stop loss, market is coming back, so it's better to square off at market this. Okay, we have squared it off and we don't have any positions over here. Due to this big movement we were in a profit, but we could not take out the profit and we made a loss of 1740 rupees on the first live demo. Okay, so see, the market is, after hitting, it is coming back. So whenever you are having good profit, it's better to take it. So 1400 was a good numbers that we got, around 6 to 7%. So in intraday, do not expect more than 7% profit. That is the lesson that we learned with the loss. Okay, with that I am going to close my live today.